Yeah, I think he's dead. Now you gotta pick him up with a napkin like Papa does. Oh, careful. Can you pick him up with the napkin? Yeah. Woo! Okay, now where do you put him?
On the toilet.
Or you could just put him in the trash. Mommy's big man. Taking care of the manly things in the house. Thank you, Winston. Good job.
Where is it?
He fell into the trash. Bye-bye, Bug. Let's see your shirt with the Otos on it. Oh, look at that. Okay. Thank you, Winston. Good job. Thank you.